What's up, gang? What's up, squad? What's up, you guys? What's up? I'm trying to drink all this water. It's got a Joe Jones. I'm gonna put that on our name. A Joe Challenge. Please, if you like and subscribe, okay? Call me a lemon. I'm gonna shoot you. No, I'm gonna shoot you. Don't call me a lemon. Chocolate. Ooh. What can I say? Shut up, Prince! Yeah? Okay. Are you guys? Can I see me for a long time?
Go put grandma's water in grandma's bowl and let's go. I mean, her bottle. This bottle? Come on, Niecy.
Come in here.
Oh, you got it. Here, take the cap too. I'm sorry. Why is Clara's doors open?
John is in there.
You guys must love to hear her mouth. Love you, Ma. See you tomorrow. Bye, Grandma.
Love you.
Hey, my water!
Oh, he's getting it.
I gotta close the cap. Gotta put the cap on. What? Oh, dang, what is this?